Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube video. This is Cece, and we're going to be getting cars to honk. I just missed a truck, sorry. This is part 2. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here we go, got a car. They got it to honk, yeah. If this gets 3 likes, if this gets 5 likes, I'll do a part 3. And, oh, okay, here comes a truck. Car, truck, I don't know what it is. There you go. It was a car truck. I think. I don't know what that was. I don't know if it was a truck or a car. There you go, we got a car. Nothing. They're waving though. Here we go, got another car. This could be the 3rd to honk. Nothing. Anything else? Nope. Is there? No, there isn't. Okay. Here we go. Truck. Yeah, he had a dog. Sorry, I can't duck. He had a dog in the truck, but he didn't honk. He turned around. Probably not gonna work, but oh, no, he turned. Never mind. Here we go. Truck. Yay, there we go. Got the honk. There we go. I don't know if you heard that, but he did honk. Is that car turning this way? Oh, yes, they are. Well, we're waiting on that car to come. Go subscribe to my friend's channel. His channel is called Dragon Dog. And subscribe to my channel too. And it's coming now. Dog. Nothing else. I like the meep. Car here. Nope. Nothing. Okay, is there anything else? No. Okay. Nothing. Anything else coming? Not that I can see. We haven't had so much luck today. So since we're not having that many cars to honk, I'll make a part 3, and I'll at least get one semi to honk. Because, well, I'm not doing so good this video. Got a car. This way. Go ahead and start doing the horn thing. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. Got another truck. Yeah, that was a good one. Oh, another one. Okay. Okay. There we go. Let's go. Oh, another car right there. I don't know if you can see it, but another car is coming. Oh, another. Oh, wow. There's a lot of cars. That one didn't honk. But I still have this white one, at least. Okay. Never mind. I'm not gonna honk. I mean, at least we got 2 trucks to honk. The same car that just did not honk is now turning around. We still have another shot at it. Can you please honk? No? Seriously? Okay. Here we go. Nothing. Didn't even look. Okay. No one's coming. No. Okay. Car coming. Ford. Really don't know what that means, or they just don't like honking. Okay. Here we go. Nothing. Okay. Anything? No? Okay. Truck. Both of them, yeah. Nice. Here we go. Blue truck. Yeah, there we go. Heck yeah. Car's going pretty fast. It's probably not gonna honk. Oh yeah, it did honk. But it's also going pretty fast. Go, got another car. Nothing. Good. Yeah. No, you can see me. She waved, but she didn't honk. Ah, that's fine. Okay, so anybody else coming? I don't think anybody else is coming. One more car will drive by, then I'm going to end the video because I mean it's been 7 minutes. Here you go, got a car. Okay, yeah, and guys, have a good rest of your day. God bless. I had a honk. Yeah, and guys, have a good rest of your day. God bless. Goodbye.